Test, test, test. Does it work now? Does it work now? Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc., etc. Yeah. It should actually be this one, but I broke my microphone the other day. Or I broke my PC. So a bunch of things have been reset.
Should be this one. Can you hear me now? Is it better like this? Ah, weird. I was talking to you guys the whole time. And this should be even better now. Because this one has actually some filters on it, I think. Oh. Properties. Oh, I thought I had something with filters. Oh well. Okay, nice. Glad it works. No, I was talking the whole time, so yeah. I was just yelling into the void, I guess. I was saying like what I'm gonna do today, what I'm gonna work on. Basically what I want to do is make it so that I can only place a new building here. Wait, here. Like right next to the water. So I need to write a new check that says if one of the surrounding tiles is a water tile, then you can place it. And if the ground that I'm trying to place it on is actually a ground tile, but I'm not sure if we need that check. Yeah, there's some extra filter or something that I put in this one. The other day, someone helped with that. But I have no idea how to actually do that. Oh, I think it was filters. Yeah, there's a bunch of filters on this one. I'll actually copy these and paste them here as well. So that, you know, if anything messes up, it should work again. Alright, so what we're gonna do. Yeah, I was gonna updated layer text. Am I zoomed in? No. There should be some text on screen now, so I have no idea why that's not being displayed. Yeah, there should be some text here. Let's see. Let's go to single screen. Oh, there we are. Grass style, grass style. I'm not sure it should show grass style now. Oh yeah, it only should show things if there's... Wait, let's move this here first. And now if I move my cursor outside the map, it should show an error instead of grass tile. Yeah, that's the filters. Grass tile and... Oh, okay. Guess it still doesn't work. We don't need this for what we're working on right now, but it is a bit weird that it doesn't work. So, but I'm gonna leave it be because why waste time on something that's not important anyway. Tile type to place, we're going to make a new one here and we're going to call that one Clay bit. Now I'm gonna find where this is actually set. Building to place. Here we are. Clay bit. Clay bit. Okay. Map creator. Yeah, that's not relevant for now. Map editor buttons also not relevant for now. It is bothering me a little bit that the error debug thing isn't showing up. Yeah, here. If ground layer isn't one. Get mouse. Oh, it's on click? No. Handle debug display. This should run always, I think. Yeah. It should run 3 times per second, roughly speaking. It should always show an error. Otherwise it should show this. Maybe there's an error here and that's why it's not continuing. Start layer text, updated layer text. Here it updates the text. And it's being set to error before this. Maybe I should use the helper function here instead. Row equals helper grid global variables dot helper dot what do I need? Row? Yeah, that would be nice. Cell helper. Cell ID to array position. Array position to cell ID. Oh, we actually have this one already. I think we just need the cell ID from the position. Convert position into near cell ID. Yeah, we need this. And here we need hit.transform.position. Okay, so now we have the cell ID, and now we need to convert that into the name of the first tile. Here. This returns the game object, yeah. So now we need global variables dot cell helper dot yeah. Does this actually work? It should. Dot name. Wait, let's see. It returns a game object and goes here. Dot name. Right. Like this. Like this. Layer 2. Right, so this should work. Emphasis on should, because, you know, who knows. But would be cool. Maybe first check if it actually exists. Even though this, you know, is gonna create a very long line. I really need to make the helper function a lot smaller. Or the name's less descriptive. Let's see. Grass tile. It's just stubborn as balls, isn't it? Maybe because it's only interacting with the ground layer. Yeah, it might be that, because currently only the... Yeah, it's the layer thing probably. Let me try it out real quick. I could remove the layer and replace it with all or something. But let's see. Road. Houses. Okay. What was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna see how these are actually layered. Yeah, tile occupants. Tile occupants. Ground tiles. Ground tiles. Layer road. Let's see. Oh, I have a quick phone call. Back in a sec. I have returned. Oh, told you to hate. Right. Maybe, just maybe, if can I do all layers? Let's ask ChatGPT. Change this to work on all layers. Interesting. Ah, you just ignore the layers. Alright. Let's see if this actually works, and if not, then I'll stop messing with this, because we really don't need this. It's just that I have the urge to fix that. Here, why does it say... Oh, ooh, what's this? Tree tile, okay. Grass tile, water tile. Why is this still grass tile? It worked just now. And just now it also said this was a water tile, so I have no idea why it's still saying grass tile. Oh. Grass tile, grass tile. Ah, maybe because there is something right in the middle here. Water tile, water tile. Huh, interesting. What about these water tiles? Yeah, they can't even be selected. Ah, interesting. It's because of the size of the water tile, because of the box collider in it. Where was this one? Here, in the corner. So this should be an easy tag. Yeah. Okay, so this one it does is actually see as a water tile. Will I start messing with this now? Yeah, I will. Okay, make it a bit bigger. This should be big enough. Grass tile, grass tile, grass tile. Water tile. Tree tile. Mountain tile. Mountain tile. Oh, mountains are actually part of the underlayer, so... that makes sense. Houses? Does it detect houses? No. Road. Houses on top of them. House foundation, yeah. And this one doesn't work, but... yeah, this debug isn't great. But it's something. It's something. How... it does get game object reference. I think none of these are super inefficient. Yeah, let's put this to a second for now. But okay. Let's leave it like this. And then actually continue with our task. Fix the debug logger in game. Alright, so we already started working on this. I want to actually check if the workers still move correctly. Let's see. A road here and some houses. But I can probably check it like this as well. Yeah. Seems like it's still working as intended. Are the road tiles slightly darker? No. Nice. What was the actual issue? I got a shovel. I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Right, so round. We have this well prefab and we can actually delete that already. Where was this? Create level. Not here. Ah, here. I don't think this is used anywhere. No, it's not. Yeah, this is being delegated elsewhere. So... yeah. And this probably just resets the line. Oh, okay. Yep, that's also fine. The well prefab can go away. Yeah, okay. So this is cleaned up. Cleaned up this. Ha, oops. Am I blind? Maybe a little bit. Cleaned up and fixed error. Debug display. Okay. So, in the gateway settings of the printer itself, on the printer or elsewhere? Right. Next up. Okay, we already have a clay pit here. Then we have this building place script here. These are the house prefabs. Here we're going to add clay pit prefabs. Then we have the clay pits here somewhere. There we go. Place well tile. Market tile. Firewatch tile. Foundation tile. Should I just make him delete himself if it's placed incorrectly, or not allow placement at all? What would be more clear to the player? Probably not allowing placement at all. But then again, we do have the same functionality for the houses. Connect roads. don't need this right now. Don't need this. Place road tile. Don't need this. Yeah. House foundation tile. If it's a grass tile. Alright, let's do it like this. Place clay pit tile. And while we're at it, let's make a warehouse as well. Warehouse prefabs. Clay pits. We have this well tile. Market tile. Clay pit tile. Duplicates. Place. Warehouse tile. Firewatch prefab should become clay pit prefabs. Clay pit prefab. And here should be warehouse prefabs. Warehouse prefab. Warehouse tile. Clay pit tile. Alright. And here we also have trees, delete, water, grass. Oh, this is map editor. We don't need that. Here we have the clay pits and start warehouse. Okay. Then we have these things. Alright, man, good luck. Weird issue. Alright, so the erase script can also be removed because we don't have one. Do we? We do. Are we actually using this? I don't think we are. Find all. Well, we don't need it here anyway. Because this doesn't cause any errors. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. Maybe you can raise the edges a little bit. I don't know, or find another way to make it look like a clay pit. Clay pit. Oh, this is what it looks like in Anno. Interesting the way their grass looks. Yeah, it's definitely a hole. Second row, fifth. Yeah. Ah, this is also quite fitting. Alternatively, it could be something like this. Let's take a... Which should we take as the base? Let's take a fire station, because that's easier. Building prefabs, warehouses. Building prefabs. Not warehouses, but what else am I looking for? Clay pits. Put it in here. Clay pit. Then we have this. In-game build menu. Interesting. It still has to make the list from somewhere. This is building place script. Engineer prefabs, well prefabs. Somewhere here. Here. Clay pit prefabs and warehouse prefabs. Let's look at the names. Am I blind? Maybe. There we go. Clay pits and warehouses. Clay pits, warehouses. Okay. So we have this clay pit. Well, you know, it's not really a clay pit currently. But what if where's the rock mountain? This one. Prefab, unpack completely. We have two types of rocks here. Tile occupants, that's fine. Way smaller. Way down. Ah, crap. I hate it when this happens. That it takes the child for some reason. Just take the parent object, rotate, go down. Like so, like so. Go down even more. Copy, rotate, probably see where I'm going with this. Yeah, like so. Oh, don't do this. Super flat. Much bigger. Rotate a bit. There we go. And now change the material a bit. Something black. I don't have anything black. Do I have? Beam. No. Ah, a ladder. Great. I mean, it's definitely not perfect. We should probably make it so that this is just above. Yep. Like so. Like so. And then we have the market somewhere. 0, 0, 0. Probably rocks are better. Make like a pile of this. I know. A pile like so. And then just make different colors of these. Just gotta find a good color. Do we have something blue? Blue. This one as well. Maybe some reds as well. Yep, and then make this one red. And these should be yellow. Does it look like clay from above? Not really. Whoa. Should take the entire rock and not just level of detail too. Smaller, like so. Like so. Oh. And like so. Okay. Will this actually work? We'll see. Let's see. I don't have a button for this yet. Let's do it manually. Play bit. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. Oh, this is the map creator. I need this one. Clay bit. Oops. All right. Oh. Oh, that's that house. Okay. All right. I'll be right back. I need a quick toilet break. I'll put this on full screen. Until then. If I can find the button. Ah, there we go. Okay, I have returned. Yeah, the tile solution is nice, but the hole needs to be a lot bigger. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work like that. Yeah, let's do the placement first. Pause. Focus. Play. House foundation, well prefabs, clay pit prefabs, okay. Clay pit, and it looks like this, okay. Now it just needs the buttons actually. I'll remove this for now. Instead of market, I'm gonna go clay pit and warehouse. Clay pit. Hey, there's no warehouse here, is there? Oh, there it is. It's just typed incorrectly. Place warehouse. Slightly confused. Yeah, placing. That's the issue. Save. I definitely don't want multiple cameras because that decreases performance, like drastically. And performance is already an issue. If I'm going to do it like this, then I'm just going to somehow delete the tile. And then there's a hole. And then we can sort of use the indentation, but even then the water layer's just below it, so that's gonna be very difficult. At least not something that I want to tackle right now. The goal right now is to get to a demo stage as quickly as possible. Not make a perfect long-term solution for everything, basically. I mean, where possible, I'm going to do things correctly, but emphasis on where possible. Ah, the text doesn't work, of course. Crap. Market tile. Where is everything? Clay, delete. Okay. Market. Okay. Clay pit, yes. Also clay pit. That's incorrect. This one should be where? Oh, okay. Most one. Okay. Yeah, that should be a warehouse now. Let's check what the prefab looks like. Hello, are you, mister? Marker tile, well prefabs, clay fit prefabs. Should be this one, and that's this one. Okay, so why doesn't it work? I know why. Because this needs to be this. Oops. Place warehouse style. Now it will probably work. Yeah, but double cameras is going to be an issue for sure. Because that doubles the visual load and it's already pretty high. And we just want to get to the demo as quickly as possible now. Shovel. Okay. This is the warehouse. Ah, there we go. There we go. So this is now the temporary clay pit. This one shouldn't be rotated. And neither should the warehouse. Okay, so we can now actually place it. What's next? You know, the thing with this solution for the clay pit without using a quad is that I have to make a custom solution for it. That's only going to be used for the clay pit because clay pit is the only thing that's going to dig vertically. Which means I either have to write a system that's going to hide tiles and then replace them with the clay pit tile. And I need to write a system so that the water layer that's right underneath it somehow hides or disappears. Or I need to do that two camera solution that you proposed. But basically it means like half a day of programming. If lucky, if unlucky, like 2 days of programming to get something okay-ish to work. And that's way too much because I literally want to get the demo for this ready within like 2 weeks or something in total. And currently I'm working on it for like 2 days per week, so that means this is what, day 12, which means I'm just about halfway there of where I want to have the entire demo done. There we go. Clay pits. What does this look like when I'm trying to place it? Is there a preview for buildings? No, there is not. So we do need show building previews. Made basic clay pit. You mean to write all those extra systems, etc.? How am I gonna do the preview for building placements? When does this actually get initiated? Here it gets the random prefab. When does this actually get called? I think it's upon click. I think it's upon ground click. Let's see. Yeah. It is upon ground click. Yeah, exactly. The object combiner actually already works. I do that for the map creator. Combine. I have something here that combines all. I think it's all the coast tiles, but I'm not quite sure. I think I disabled it right now because I'm still developing stuff. Map creator is water tile. Where is it? Destroy and create coastlines. I don't know, but I do have a mesh combiner somewhere. Oh well, a lot. Because right now it's not active. But I'll show you. I think this is from here, from the left side to the right side. I think it's like 150 tiles. That means 150 times 150 means that there's 22,500 tiles in total. If I use the mesh combiner, then all these separate tiles, these, will all combine into one mesh. And that means that Unity, you know, for every second that it checks stuff, it only needs to check one mesh instead of 22,000. So it's literally 22,500 times as efficient, sort of. I mean, it doesn't exactly work like that, but it's a huge difference. Same with the water tiles. They used to combine, but now I actually deleted all the water tiles. Until I found out that I need an object on it. So there is like an invisible object on it that doesn't get rendered, but does get used for the for the path blocking. That's why you see the cubes on top of it. But yeah, it makes a lot of difference. The issue now is I should only be able to place these pits right next to the water. And checking that is easy enough. The issue with that, however, is there's no building preview when you're trying to build. Like right now I have this selected, but when I mouse over this area, it doesn't actually show me a preview. I could go the easy way, and you know, when you place one here, it's in an incorrect position, and I could just make it so that it doesn't work. Or that it actually disappears after a few seconds, like we have with houses. If I place a house that's not next to a road, then after 5 seconds, it will disappear. Now it's gone. If it's next to a road, then they won't disappear and people will move in. A bit strange. Oh, oops. The firemen are spawning because that script's actually on the clay pit. Yeah, that's this script. That's fixed now. But ideally what we want now is a preview. Oops. When does it actually get this? This probably requires a change there. Okay. Okay. This is the spot where we actually get a preview. We can make a new preview thing, I think, here as well. Where does this actually get called? Here. I think I should make a new script here. Void handle building reviews. And then we should check if it has changed. If then show a new preview. Always keep it on the position. Make it red. Show red light on it when placing on water, trees, or other or already placed buildings, etc. Can move building placement checks here in the future. Yeah, it's basically the same as in Pharaoh. Or in Caesar, both are fine. If that place change the last stick. Yeah, there's probably a big amount of overlap here. Yeah, this is the same. This is the same. If it's a grass tile, yep. House foundation tile, firewatch tile, clay pit tile. I think even the road tiles are the same here. Road tiles. Ah, no, the road tiles actually are different. Because it does check for grass tile first. Wait, so does the well tile. That's still the same. That's still the same. That's not the same. Ah, okay, so... Okay. Yeah, that means that this, all of this can be moved. From here. Placing. Yeah, up until here can all be moved into a check function. Can we make optional parameters in this? Okay, doesn't matter for now. Private bool check if can place. Yeah, they're the same. Roughly at least. Unless there's resources on them, then they look different. If it isn't occupied yet, turn true. And place here. Okay. This should clean up most of this code here. Because this entire thing... Let's check it with the house tiles first. If in position. Oof. What would be more efficient? I'm not quite sure what would be more efficient. Yeah, crap. There's two things going on here. One is actually determining the place to actually place it, and the other thing is in the map creator script updating the destructibles layer, which is basically a big array or list of what should be in each tile. And this might be important in the future, because maybe we are going to replace the entire map to only show what's on camera. So if there's tiles outside of the camera, then it won't show them. And then we will use an object pooler to actually draw the tiles that do need drawing. And we can only do that from this map creator script. So we do need to set it. And we do need to know the row and the column for this. Can we return this? Let's ask ChatGPT. Can we change this function so that it returns the row and the column to use as well? And how would we then call it? Yeah. Interesting. I have no idea how this works. Okay. So... Oh man. Modify this script to use that function. I have no idea how this works, but it looks like it should. Nice, looks nice. Hey, why does it update path? Ah, I know why, okay. Is this code actually shorter? It looks like it doesn't matter that much. So we either have a bunch of duplicate code, We still need these anyway, and we need these. Yeah, okay, so I guess we're gonna double check it then. Too bad. It is what it is. Yeah, but we do also need to know what the actual prefab is. So let's take this one again. We need to know... I mean, we can use... Yeah, okay. We can do it like this. So then I will have to duplicate this, however, which sucks. Or should I only do it when it's red? Maybe just show a cube for now. Like a red cube if you can't place there. Green cube if you can. No, it would be better if you see the building preview. Alright, I'm gonna duplicate this code first. I don't recommend anyone doing this, but... if, check if can place. It does need a position. Where does it take this position from here? This is so sloppy. Because then I'll be duplicating this code as well, and I really don't want to do that. And it's waiting for the mouse button. Yeah. Okay, let's do it like this first. So last. Where's this string? Last tick type. If tile to place isn't the same as last tick type. Last tick tile type. So if these aren't the same, and here we should set last tick type to tile type to place, so that it does get updated. Update last tick type. Okay, if it changed, then show a new preview. We're going to make a game object for that. Public game object. Building preview. Building preview is instantiate. Well, that's going to be based on these. And this will only happen when we change the building to place. Alright, we can do it like this, okay? So I'm gonna do it like this. This can be removed. Preview equals if building preview exists, destroy building preview. Actually, we should make this a separate function. Void update building preview game object. Yeah, this is silly because this doesn't save that many lines at all. So we're not gonna do this, we're gonna just do it like this. Building preview is instantiate house prefabs and just take the first one. Gonna do the same for this. Road. Road dot. Oops. Yeah, FBX seems to have some issues in Unity every now and then, and I know OBJ actually works. Stairwell prefabs. Play. Warehouse. Okay. Handle building previews, and we're gonna put this in the update script. Yeah, but it doesn't actually update the position. So we do need to do that here. I was gonna test it first, but guess not. We need this, this, this. There we go. Hit transform position. No. Okay. If we can place, yeah. If he cannot, show red light. We actually need a helper for this. Global variables dot cell helper dot We need to transform a position to a cell position. Array positions for cell ID, no. Cell ID, no. No. Convert position to nearest cell ID, yeah. Get closest tile position. Yeah, this is fine. We need this. Hit transform position. Cool. We need to do this here. Here we just need to show the red line. Actually, I have an idea. We're gonna building preview red light. So equals this. Wait, this is the green light. So we're just gonna move this to far away. And here we are gonna use the actual position. Yep. Now we just need to make a red light. Like so. Nice, I got the warehouses. Okay, stop running. Now we just need a new game object from somewhere. Create. Game object. Prefab. Prefab. Red. Can't build red light. This should become a shader in the future. Lights. Point lights. Red. And the position of this should be 4 high. Filter should be super red. Can't build red light should be here. Let's see what this does. Yeah, I'll check it in a second. Okay, house. Crap. It's not showing the preview. Why isn't it showing the preview? Is there a red light somewhere? Yes, there is. But what's the position? Ah, there we go. Okay, so it does actually spawn, but the position is not updated. And that's because this building previews thing is never called. I'm gonna put this in the update function now and see if that actually does anything. Before we do this, I do wanna call like this here. Updating house. Build refab preview. I want to see this because if this gets spammed, then something's wrong. Don't be trying to screw me, goddamn. Alright, house. Wait, okay, so it isn't working currently, but I don't know why. Ah, here it did update it. Let's see. Now it should be called again. Yeah. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Building preview. Where is it? There it is. House. House style, okay. But it doesn't look like the position. It was set now. Get closest style position. Oh, of course. Damn. It required a click. Now this should work, but it will probably be very inefficient, so maybe I should adapt it so that it only updates once per half second or something. Let's check. some reason it's returning true on being able to place there. This does get updated properly. Can place, and this up there. Okay. Alright, build, preview, work in progress. Let's test the warehouse in the meantime. We're gonna duplicate the clay pit for that. Warehouse. Yeah, that's probably the preview. Probably if I press house now, it will show one in the bottom left. Oh. Maybe well. No. Fireman. No. I don't know what you're referring to. I didn't see it. Ah, oh. Oh, you need to hover over it or something? Oh, that's the inactive. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bug related to that. But one thing at a time. I'm already doing 3 things at the same time. But good spot though. I didn't see it initially. Prefabs. No. I need to make a new folder here. Models. Not sure why I haven't used it before. There we go. And now we have the resource, warehouse. Now we're gonna go to models, put the warehouse in here. 0, 0, 0. It's probably way too big, so we're gonna... What the hell? Actually, the skills... Oh, no, it is way too big. But that's fine. This looks about the right size. Yeah, it is quite gold, so I'm not quite sure I like this material, but we'll see what it looks like in game. I think more stone would be good. I have the texture, so it will be easy to change. Well, well. House, house, house. And let's take the warehouse from here. Yeah, there's that house again. That's part of the preview script, but it's not working as intended because it's not done yet. Warehouse should be bigger. Like this. Quite big. What texture does this use? Wall out. Okay. I lost the warehouse. Where is it? Warehouse. Oh, this here. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't even see the vase. I don't know where the vase is. How's wood? Yeah, I think this is more neutral, but... Actually, red would also be good. Big think. Either way, we need to remove the rocks from inside it first. But it's pretty nice. I do want it rotated though. Warehouse, warehouse, warehouse. Here's the warehouse. Let's remove all these rocks. Delete. And rotate this 180 degrees. Was it too big, too small? It was too small, so I'm gonna make it bigger. And I'm gonna use wall. Wall out for this. Wall top. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it was pretty close. Oops, can't drop it like this. Ah, well, this fits, don't you think? It doesn't have collision currently, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, I do need to make the roads closer to that other area as well. Ah, there's the vase. I didn't see it before. Yeah, it blends pretty well. I had to update the texture a little bit with the textures that we already have, but it's good. It's nice. It might be slightly too big, but that's more of a gameplay issue rather than anything to do with the model. Alright. Down a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. You're pretty fast with making the base models and everything, so that's already really nice. Oops. Yeah, these are the tiles, so it can actually be a little bit bigger, like so. This is way too big, but I would need to work on the house skills anyway. Doesn't have anything to do with the model. Road, road, road. Road, road. And a bunch of houses. Oops. I like it. Yeah, I'm happy this works too. And yeah, it is. This is definitely Pharaoh inspired. But there's a bunch of things that we still need to check as well. Because the road is fine as it is. I mean, it could be a little bit wider, I guess. But it doesn't really connect to the houses. Oops. Like the tile sizes are a little bit off. I have to dive a little bit deeper into how Caesar did that. Like maybe something like this would make more sense. But then it looks less like a path, you know? Maybe each house can even have like a tiny road thingy towards the road. Yeah, 2x2 might be better than 3x3, but honestly, I don't know what shape this is going to take exactly, so you know, we also shouldn't dive too deep into that at this point. I will eventually add plazas and entertainers, etc. Yeah. The goal is to get like the base game done first. Or the demo. And for that I do want the entertainers, I want the clay pit, or some industry. I'm working on that now. Because like these are clay pits. And one of the things is making buildings with multiple sizes. Here, this part of my to-do list regards to making bigger houses. Right now everything is only one tile big. I need to make a system so that multiple tiles also works. And I think I'm only going with squares in the beginning, initially. Like 1 tile, 3 tiles, or 9 tiles, but who knows where they will end up. Yeah, that also falls into the category of later. But yeah, indeed, they are way bigger. They're also slightly above the ground. Oops. Would be better like this. Yeah, exactly. But also the general style. Like if you look at the size of these, generally this is fine, but if we look at Caesar 3, we just take a random screenshot of something. Houses. Okay. Let's open this one instead. Like here, yeah, the roads are a lot wider here, you see? They take up almost half a tile. So that makes a difference already. The tiny tents take up 1 tile. Well, for us that's houses. Our houses are more like this size, actually. And this is 2x2, 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 4 individuals. No, I noticed that as well just now. But that's probably because it's isometric. I mean, these are centered. But these aren't. There's more space here than there is here. But that depends on the direction, because here it's the other way around. So these houses also don't look very connected because of that. It's interesting though. But I like the smaller roads more than the bigger roads here. Another possibility could be like two road paths next to each other. Basically, like this could also be an option. Almost like kart tracks, you know? But yeah, that's details. I'm not super worried about that just yet. I just want to get the basic functionalities in. Speaking of which, what was I working on? The building previews, yeah. So, they do actually spawn. Ah. Not sure we need this check. Not sure we need this either. Crap. Minus new vector free dot y. This actually corrects height. Let's see what this does. I probably just need to zoom in more. Is it easier to read now? Oh. Ah, look. Okay, so the can't place thingy is sort of working. Now if we use a house... Oh. Okay. It's only showing the house if it can't actually place stuff there. Yeah, so it means it's partially working. Maybe it just doesn't create a building preview. This seems to work. Seems to work. Is this public? This is public. And it's not destroyed. It's probably at spot 0. Probably if we look at 0, then it's there. I just don't know why yet. Ever since the day I was looking. Okay, look. The house preview disappeared? I mean, it is red now. Maybe I should also have the green light ready. What did I just change? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Wait. I'm pretty sure we saw the preview just now. Or, oh, obviously it doesn't show the house preview because I didn't select the house yet. If I click on a house, then yeah, okay. If I move that over this rock or over this tree, then it shows, yeah, bro, you can place it here. Which is what we want. But we also, when we move it here, where does the preview go? Oh, it does work when I move it outside. Ah, okay, so it's the check function. Look, if I move my cursor outside of the map, then it does show it. Maybe also... No, these are all red, all red. Yeah. Okay, so it has to do with this can check thingy. Check if can place. This just moves the light. I'm a little bit confused. I'm a little bit confused. Because it does run this when the mouse cursor is outside of the map. But it already does have this preview. Maybe it's the position, and that position is just 0, 0, 0. So possibly, wait, I'm gonna name it first. So we have this building preview, then we instantiate it here. And now I'm going to change the name, building preview. If building preview name is building preview.name plus preview. And now when I start placing it, even if I don't see it, I can at least look for it in the hierarchy. Ah, that's what you meant. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult. Because all places are bad for the chat. Look, if I make it smaller, then it becomes harder to read. If I move it down, then you can't see the bottom of the text. I could move it like here and only show like the last 2 lines or something. Oh no. This might be better. Now it's just the last 2 lines. Okay, house. And now I'm going to pause it. Like so. And now there should be a preview somewhere. There we go. There is. But where is it? It's dead in the center of the map for some reason. At 160, 160. Possibly something's going wrong with the placement. I don't know. Yeah, I could look at move it to the top right. Nah, I don't like that. Because of the sentence length. It looks better aligned like this, I think. Maybe make a background of it as well. Duplicate. How do I duplicate things here? Right click, copy, right click, paste. Then move it. Oh no, not like that. Move this. Yeah, this is not ideal, but it be what it be sometimes. No, I don't like this either. Because then we have to keep a black square like this for... Nah, let's not do that. Alright. But we're getting closer with this, which is good. That said, it is toilet time again, so... I'm gonna place some houses. Well. And some firehouses. Alright, I'll be right back. Well, I mean like 5 or 10 minutes, unfortunately. See you then, or some other time. Performance is probably not very good right now. Yeah, and now we clear this log. And it jumps up again. Yeah, okay. Alright. So, what we're gonna do now is find out why and how. Yeah, it places it here. House? Yeah, why is it here? That's interesting. Probably because the width of everything, the cells are like 160. Yeah, that's the grid size. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mr. Appropriate Language. Let's see. Building preview. Alright, so... Get closest tile position based on hit position. I mean, it does work for the red light. What if I remove this? This really shouldn't be it. Yeah, that's pretty much what's happening right now, but for some reason it places it at 160, 160. Look, it always places it over here. And if I change buildings, it does update the preview. And it hides them when I go over it like this. Wait, let me place some of these. This is can't build, which is red. Oh crap, it's gone because... And this is can build. This position is correct. This position is not. And I really wonder why. I'm a straight rider. So this isn't it. Maybe because it's not hitting anything? Wait, let's check if it actually gets in here. Got here. It should spam this message if I press play now and mouse over a certain area. Okay, let's build a road first. Some houses. Gold here, gold here, gold here, gold here. And now I'll move it like this, and it still gets there. So... Well, that's the fuck off point. Do you see the red light above the houses? When I'm moving over somewhere where I can place, the red dot is now there. So it's like way up in nowhere somewhere. Because it still exists. I just moved it. which is more efficient than, well, it's not more efficient than enabling and disabling it, but actually it would be neater to just, you know. I mean, this might be more efficient. Or at least nicer. But yeah. Anyway, it does get here. It does hit one of the ground tiles. But then the position becomes 160, 160 for some reason. So it divides this by the cell size. Hit, transform, position. Let's also debug print this. Also, I'm pretty sure we don't need this because I just saw that the position is going to be set at 0 anyway. The LY position. Stop. Play. Alright, house. See? For some reason, it takes the initial position as 159, and the initial position doesn't change either. But when I hover over this, it does change. Why? What's it actually hitting? Can we figure that out? I wonder what it's actually hitting. Hit, transform, game object, name. Okay. House. The water plane. Interesting. Interesting. It's finding this. Okay. Because that's slightly above the ground apparently? Because this tile is at what height? 0. Huh. Okay. What if I set this to 0? Maybe -0. Ring ding dong. Oh, not the grass plane. This one. Oh, now it takes... What? Ground layer. That's this one. -0. Still ground layer. Water plane. Yeah. Okay. So what I need to do is just uh it's a layer issue. That's what it boils down to. So I need to check if it hits the ground layer. Let's try it like this first. Actually, let's check it like this first and see what it says when I hover over water. What? Where's the menu gone? Oh, there it is. House. Ah, yeah, it's moving over that cube. Can I just ignore this layer? Water. Plane. No, that's the ground layer. Hey, what if... I don't know what that is exactly, but we'll see. Yep. Okay, now it doesn't do anything. Where is ChatGPT? Make this work on everything but the ground layer. Perfect. This is what I need. There we go. Sort of. It might be fixed now, it might not. It's a layer issue because there's the ground. The mouse interacts with the ground layer as well. Okay, so house. Okay, it does work if I move it over here, but it doesn't work here because it hits the water plane color changer. This one. If I move this down more. No. What's it hitting now? Water plane color changer again. Right now it's hitting nothing, it seems. Maybe it's just hitting nothing because the tiles just don't have any colliders on them. That's probably it, to be honest. Yeah, that's probably it. Can I change this? I mean, they don't have colliders on purpose, which is good. Let's make a new chat. Change this so that the hit point is whatever is at height 0. Does that make sense? I don't know. Yeah, okay, so this is not what I need. I think out hit point, because it doesn't hit anything. I mean, I'm willing to try it, but I don't think this will fix it. No, it doesn't. Yeah, can place here. Entire solution. Check if can place. Okay. Problem is I wonder what happens if I put this here, but this won't make a difference, I think. This is just guesswork. Yeah, thought so. The issue is that this ground doesn't have any colliders, because it doesn't need one, normally speaking. These trees, they do, because they do need to block things. And that's why the preview does work here, because it has something to collide with. This is the other. Okay. So now, where is this? Here. Got here. Now the can place here is completely gone from the log, because it's trying to place it on here. You can see that it's red as well. Doesn't matter where I put my cursor, it's always red. Because it's always checking this position. And it's always checking this position because it's hitting the water, plane and click layer. So if I lower this and start moving the mouse, right now it's checking the ground layer. And it's putting the position at 0, 0, 0, which is here. Can't build, can build, can't build, can build, can't, can. But this is also the incorrect position. So I can fix this easily by enabling the meshes on all tiles. But if I do that, then we'll have 160 times 160 is like, I don't know, 30,000 extra mesh colliders, which is something that we don't want. So What's it hitting now? Ground layer. Yeah, and I can move the ground layer down, but then it, like, nothing will work. Whoop. And now it's the water plane color changer. I mean, it all doesn't matter because it will only still work if I hit objects like this. That said, the ground layer that it's hitting, or the water layer, why is it 160, 160? It should always get the hit point. So, get closest tile position of this hit point. I mean, so we have this water plane and click layer. This is the position that it's taking, which is exactly here in the middle of the map. One big collider and make it return where it collided. Well, it's already supposed to do this, because right now it's colliding with this water plane and click layer, which is already, if you go to the scene, that's already these green lines. So it's already hitting it, and it's taking the center of this object. Wait. Hit transform position. That should already be the spot where it's actually hitting. Why is it taking the game object's position? Because if I just disable this completely, now it's colliding with the ground layer. And for some reason, the ground layer is at 0, 0, 0. Let's check. Ground layer. Yeah, that's nice and dandy, but if I have my mouse cursor here, then should it still return 0, 0, 0? I don't think so. Does it return the actual position of the game object of the actual hit point? Got here. Number, lemon tree. 3. Where's this? That's this one. No, this one. Lemon tree 4. Am I blind? Is it this one? Tree tile 2. This one. 208. 208. Lemon tree 3 is you know what it could be? It's checking layer 2 content right now. It should also check layer 1. This just moves the red light though. Oh wait. Oh no, yeah, this only moves the red light, so this shouldn't have any influence at all on the building preview position. The building preview position should always be exactly on the hit point. The question is, why is the hit point always the game object's position? Let's ask ChatGPT. The hit point always seems to return the position of the game object. Shouldn't it actually return the position where the hit point actually impacted an object? You know what? Maybe it's because... Oh man. Now it is hitting the transform. Damn. Maybe it's hit point and not this. Maybe it's because I added that transform. Damn, this could actually be it. Let's try again. Yeah. I think I did it wrong the first time, like many years ago, and I never needed the actual hit point. That's so dumb. Oh. Here, now the position. Even though it's the water... Yeah. Damn it. Building preview transform position is... Oh. I don't get why the position seems to be correct now, but I don't get why that's not working. Okay, but here it's working. Got here. The closest tile should be 8, 6, 4. It seems to work correctly now, but where is the actual preview? The position is correct now. The preview just isn't. The preview is again at 160, 160. Building preview trend. Oh no, dude. For some what? Okay, it should be good now. That was so weird. But yeah, good find. Hey, it's a miracle. Can't build red lights. Okay. So let's change this